Now, let's import another object into here. First of all, let's stop this. Let's reset the handle. There we go. And actually, we don't need this handle here. Okay. Now, to import existing 3D objects, there's an object called getGL model. If you go into the help patch, you can learn about this. These can be animated, have materials, textures, a lot of options. For now, let's just load the most basic one called duck DAE. This is already supplied in Jitter, and here we have our duck. Now let's move our duck around. You already know how to do this. Handle. Here we go. Okay, now the handle has some options. If you keep the option key pressed on your keyboard, whoops, you can move it farther away, like this. Command, you can move it like this. And with shift, you can like just fix a certain axis. Here we just turn it around the y-axis, for example. Now, this model has plenty of options. If we do a control click on the inlet here, we have a list of all the different attributes and messages this object can receive. Now, one useful attribute is scale. So I just select scale, it gives me this little user interface object. And when I start changing this up, I can change my duck here. Actually, let's change the position of this video plane. So I do control click on the inlet. Let's see if it has a position attribute. I can also just type position here, position. It gives me the user interface, and let's move it back. So X, Y, Z. So this would be Z, negative value. Okay, here we go. And actually, whilst we're at it, we move it back, but we want to scale it. We want to make it wider and taller. So scale. Here we go. Again, X, Y, Z. So we want to make it wider. Here we go, like so. And taller. So that's Y. Here we go. Okay. Now our duck is here. We scaled it. I can scale it even more. Make it super wide. Well, actually, you know what? Let's just stay the way it was. But actually make the whole thing smaller. So let's send it a message, scale $1, $1, $1. So this will send the same value to X, Y, and Z because it's 3 times $1. Scale 1, and here, I can just make the whole thing smaller.